Hi, I'm Carla Thompson, and I'm with Maryland Public Television. Today I'm sharing an activity that will encourage your child to think like a scientist. We're going to build a ramp, and we're going to use a toy car to test which of two surfaces has the least amount of friction. What is friction, though? It's simply resistance. So your child is going to investigate whether a smooth surface ramp, like this poster board, has less friction than a bumpy surface ramp, maybe using dish towels. So what do you need? You need the materials to make a smooth surface ramp. You can use paper, construction paper. I used poster board. You need two sets of books. One as the base of your ramp, put the poster board in between, and then another set of books on top to keep it stable. You want to make a data table so that your child can list their predictions of how far they think the car will travel using each surface that you have. You need a way to measure how far your car has traveled. I have a ruler, or you can use a non-standard tool to measure. I have markers if that's the case. Anything that's easy and at home. Of course, you need your toy car, and then you're set. So once your ramp is built, you want to do 1, 2, maybe 3 runs just to compare how far the car travels on that surface. You want to remember to measure in between so that your child can see if their prediction was on target or did they discover new information. Throughout the whole experiment, remember to think out loud with your child. Encourage them to talk about what they see, to describe how the experiment is working, to explain their predictions and why they think that way. And that's it. If you're looking for more easy activities to do at home, feel free to visit us at thinkport.org/family.